All right, so -1 up 5 would be -1 up 5 would be up here. And think of it as making a triangle. That's an awful triangle. Let me fix that. All right, so it would make a triangle. This side would be -1. This side would be up 5. How would we find the hypotenuse on the triangle? You guys remember? Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. When you square -1, it's just going to be positive anyway. So you got 1 squared plus 25 equals c squared. 1 plus 25 is 26. So this side is the square root of 26. All right, so you guys don't have to do the triangle. All you have to do is a squared plus b squared. And know that your radius is root 26. I don't think that simplifies, so we're good. All right, now we got to find all 6 answers. So you got your formulas up here on the board. They're also on the unit circle. What's the formula for sine? Y over 1. So guys, every place there's a 1 up here, we're going to insert the radius where the 1 is. So this is really y over r. And all you have to do, we know this is our x coordinate, this is our y coordinate. So we go 5 over root 26. Can I leave it that way?
No.
Nope. You guys will have the calculators to do this for you on the test. So instead of multiplying both sides by root 26, you guys can just put it in here if you want to. Y'all can do 5 on top, root 26 on bottom equals, and it simplifies it for you. 5 root 26 over 26.
Do you,
Five
if it
root-
simplifies, do you want us to simplify?
Say it again.
If the square root, like, when you get it the first time, if it simplifies, do you want us to?
Just put it in your calculator. These calculators will simplify it for you. Okay? Any question there? All right, cosine is x over r. So that's going to be -1 over root 26. Put that in your calculator. Simplify it. I'll give y'all a second to type it in. So that's going to be -root 26 over 26. You guys been using that word a lot in here lately. Yeah.
Do we need to show what's on this?
There's not a whole lot of work y'all got to show on this.
Okay,
No.
cool.
All right, last one. Tangent's going to be an easy one. It's just y over x. Tangent's y over x, 5 over -1. It's just -5. Or -5 over 1 if you want to put the 1 under it, either way. All right, now we're going to make it really easy. To do the other side right here, all you have to do, what do y'all notice going from sine to cosecant? Look at your formulas. Y over 1, this one's 1 over y. It's just been flipped over, it's just a reciprocal. Same thing here. These are flipped, these are flipped. So guys, we really don't have to find the other 3 answers. We can just flip our fraction. All right, so watch. If -5 over 1, I flip it, this answer is -1 over 5. All right, for this one, we don't want to flip the answer right here. Look, if you flip that answer, you're going to be putting root 26 back on the bottom, then you're going to have to do more work to fix it. Go back and flip this one. 5 over root 26, I flip it root 26 over 5. Root 26 over -1, which is just -root 26. That's how you find your 6 answers. See y'all. Good luck.
Thanks.
All right, anybody got a question before we go to number 2? Now that's one of the harder ones that get easier. Anybody got a question?
Yeah, how did you get over the first one?
A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So it'd be 1 plus 25 equals c squared. Add them up, you get 26. Let's do another one. Let's go to number 2. All right, so we got 6 and -8. Again, you guys don't have to waste your time drawing the triangle. We can just do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So you guys do that in your head, on your calculator, however you want to do it. Find me the r. You need to find the radius of the circle. Who else is irresponsible besides him or needs a calculator? Carson and Seth?
Yes, sir.
And me.
Raise
Do we have homework today?
No homeroom today. Alright, so y'all say 64 and 36 is 100, square root of 100 is 10. Do y'all see how I got that? Alright, let's do it, Emma.
I'm just kidding.
6 squared is 36. 8 squared is 64. Added up, that's 100. Square root of 100 is 10. Alright, everybody good on how to find the radius? And going back to the circle, you guys might be asking, why is that the radius? Look, that is your hypotenuse, right? Why is that the radius? Because if you had a circle, I was supposed to show y'all this. The radius is from the center of the circle to a side, right? So that's why the hypotenuse will always be the radius. All right, so this one's going to be really easy because we don't have any square roots. All right, what's the first one? It's y over r. Remember, it goes x, y, and there's your r. So I got 10, whoops, y over r, I got negative 8 over 10. Somebody simplify it, please.
Negative 4 over 5.
Negative 4 over 5 is our answer. I want the simplified answer. All right, cosine, your formula, it'd be x over r. So that's going to be 6 over 10. Simplify it. 3/5. All right, tangent's y over x, that's negative 8 over 6. Simplify it. Negative 4 over 3.
Yeah.
All right, so remember for the right column, since all of these are just inverses of each other, did I say that right? Or reciprocals of each other, we can just flip it. So negative 4 over 5, I flip it's negative 5 over 4. I flip it, that's 5 over 3. I flip it, that's negative 3 over 4. Notice how I'm keeping the negative in the top of the fraction. All right, so that's an easy one. 1 was a hard one, 2 was easy. All right, y'all can do 3 by yourself. Anybody got a question here before I go to 3? All right, I'm moving 2, going to 3. You guys find the R, at least find the R by yourself on this one. Find the radius. It's probably going to have a square root on this one. Let me think.
It's going to have
It's going to have a square root. So this is where we're probably going to have to use our calculator a little bit.